Hello, friends. Good afternoon. This is your friendly neighborhood librarian, Mrs. Buckskimper, and I am here to talk to you about your upcoming research project that you're going to be completing mostly in the library. This year, the model that you're going to use is called the Big Six Research Model, and so I'm going to give you a quick introduction into that, give you some resources that you can use to learn a little bit more about it, and then tell you how to get on your way and actually do this project. So first of all, let's look at the standards that you have to know about. First of all, we have our Texas TEK standard, which is 8.23. It's about gathering sources and doing research. You're going to work on determining and locating and exploring the full range of relevant sources that are going to help you to answer your research question. Our Common Core standard, W87, is along those same lines. You're going to conduct a short research project to answer a question using several sources. Your ISTE standard, which is your technology standard, is all about becoming a knowledge constructor. You're going to plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other sources. And then finally, you have your AASL standard, which is a library standard, and those are going to require you to inquire and create something. So you're going to engage with new knowledge by using evidence to investigate questions and to devise and implement a plan to fill in your knowledge gaps. So that starts our pathway for knowledge and sets us on our way for why we're doing what we're doing. So next up, let's talk about our lesson objectives for today. First of all, our guiding question is, what is the Big Six research model and why should I use it? There are lots of different ways to do research, but your teacher and I in the district think that this is one way that will really set you up for success for this project and for in the future. Our objectives today. By the end of the lesson, you're going to understand and apply what the steps of the Big Six model are and why they're going to help guide your research. You're going to accomplish this by taking a pretest to see what you already know, watching an introductory video, reading an informative handout. You're going to show that you understand what you have learned by comparing your pretest score with your post-test score, and then ultimately you're going to effectively use the steps of the research process as you're doing your own research project. So let's continue. You have a couple of different tasks that you're going to complete today in this lesson. First of all, you're going to go to BlendSpace, and there's a link on the screen right here, or your teacher can provide you how to get to there. There's also this QR code that your teacher can possibly pause the video and let you take a snapshot of this to get you to your BlendSpace and log in. Once you're there, you're going to complete the pretest, watch an introductory video, read a handout, and then complete the post-test as well. When you get to BlendSpace, it's going to look like this graphic down here in the corner. There will be a link to this video, then a box that says take this quiz, and then a video that has that penguin on it. Those are the first two things that you're going to do in this lesson module. Okay, so I'll pause for just a second in case you need to take a picture of that QR code. All right, moving on. That completes your introductory video for this. Now I want to set you on your way to learning about the Big Six research model. When you're done, your teacher will come back and we will review what you've learned, talk about the post-assessment and your actionable steps after that. So I will see you guys in a jiffy. Bye.